Big Grinch?
Yeah.
This is Dr. Seuss.
Yeah, Grinch.
Okay, read it from the beginning. Can you read me the book?
Yeah.
Is it Sam I Am?
Fire Sam. No. Here you go. Put it on a pot. Very kind of Grinch.
Does he like green eggs and ham?
Him?
No, the other guy. Does he like green eggs and ham?
No.
Can you read it to me?
Yeah, this is. Try it. I try it.
He's gonna try it?
Yeah, really good.
It's really good.
And
The end. Do you like that book?